Hi everyone, my name is Srini Unnam. I am partner of one of the leading overseas distribution company, Blue Sky Cinemas. Couple of days back, Madhura Sridhar garu texted me saying that Srini, I saw one movie that is really good. Then I asked him what is that name. Then he said it's Malli Rava. So I asked him whether the trailer releases. So by that time it's not released. Then he said audio release. So I started listening to the audio. So then I liked it. Listened again second time. Then I really liked it. Now I am addicted to the audio. Then after that, the trailer released. So then trailer is really good. So we are getting very huge response from even overseas exhibitors also. We're already getting left a couple of inquiries. And then initially we thought, okay, we'll go with some limited theaters like 25. But now we already increased to 40 and then planning to increase to 50. So then based on the response, again, the second week we are going to add more theaters. So we are confident that this is especially good for overseas as well as for multiplex cinemas. So now, we already going for the huge release, and then we want to really make it to happen in a big level. So thanks to Madhura Sridhar garu, and then all the best, and then congratulations to Rahul Yadav garu, producer. Thank you.